Is it the end of free parking for motorcyclists? What's the main perk of having a bike? You can basically rock up wherever you need to go, whack your bike in the free parking, go in, come out, it's a beauty. But apparently that's not going to be happening anymore. Is it, well, we don't know for sure, but it sounds that way, is the end of free motorcycle parking around the corner. So this is something that a lot of people are doing. You'll notice towards town there used to be spots for bikes, and they've slowly reduced them and put other car parking spots, paid ones. So it looks like we're slowly getting pushed out, people. One of the many benefits of riding a motorcycle is the ability to hold up, hop off, hang on some security, and head off to complete whatever it is you need to do. It's very quick and easy, and it's nice to do that. But if they're planning to make changes, then it's going to be a bit of a letdown. But then again, they probably can't charge as much as a car, but you'll have to pay and display a ticket on your bike. And then what about if the wind blows a ticket off? Yeah, but let's see. So it's Lewisham that are saying this. Let's have a look at their site, see what they're actually saying. So it's like an article, but it doesn't say much, does it? Why is it down? Come on, mate. The freedom could be coming to an end for some London residents, though, as Lewisham Council is looking at forcing motorcycle riders in the borough and those commuting into it into shelling out for privilege of parking their motorcycles. Yeah, mate. Oh, okay. The proposal so far is that residents will be paying £125 per year for annual parking passes, while companies will be charged £625 per year for business parking pass. What? 125? Where's my maths is terrible. Let me get a calculator up. So say, for example, we're working a year. Say we're using it 5 days a week. Well, probably 6 days a week. But let's do 52 divided by 52. How much is it costing us? 125 divided by 52. £2.40 per week. Not bad. But we don't want to be doing with that, do we? It's like another tax, isn't it? Think of it like a road tax. We already pay tax to ride on roads, and now they want us to pay to. But then again, cars do it, don't they? But yeah, basically, moral of the story is don't park. Just carry on riding, mate. Round journey, no stopping. Nice selection of bikes. Let's see if we can figure out what they are. That first one, no idea. Second one, no idea. Third one, no idea. Fourth one, it looks like a Jigsaw. That looks like a Triumph. Yeah, let me know in the comments if you know what bikes they are. But that is what they're planning for. Free parking no longer an option, people.